Welcome everybody. Today we've got Trapjaw. His gimmick was, a couple of his gimmicks was he had an actual functioning jaw, sorta. I think it was originally had a little spring in it to make it close, but you could move his mouth. And he has a plastic head rather than the usual rubber of most of the characters. There's no squeeze in his. Of course, the artificial arm. This is just happened to be the hand that I had. There was also a hook and I think a laser rifle. Looked like. I've never tried to pop that piece off. As you can see, there's been some discoloration with his arms and his body. I don't know if the back's discolored too. But he was. The thing I remember about him, I bought him while we were on vacation in New Orleans. I don't know why we were in a store that had toys like this on vacation, but we were. And I'd never seen him in person. I'd seen the pamphlet or whatever for him, but not him. Yeah, he does have the power punch action. A little stiff on that one, but I'll probably replace his hips too, because it's not terrible, but he's a little bit wiggly. But I thought he was cool. I think just the color scheme, and he also had a belt that would hold his unused hands for you while you were playing with them. I forgot about that. I just saw that when I was doing the research. But that's Trapjaw. I don't think, yes, as usual, no real details on the back. There's some hoses and stuff here for his arm, and it's sort of. I thought he was pretty cool. I think it seems like he was a semi-important character in the cartoon, but I can't remember for sure. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.